Look in there, now that's what we're talking about. Corned beef hash pie. Hi everyone, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. It's easy pie day today. Corned beef hash pie using bought puff pastry. It's easy, it's quick. Let's show you how to do it right now. Corned beef. For corned beef hash, we want to be breaking that up just a little bit in there. Break that up. In with some onions, as always. Get that in there. And then we're going in with some mashed potato. Now, this mashed potato is quite lumpy. I've actually just mashed it with a potato masher and not the ricer. We want that potato texture in there, like you get with corned beef hash. Okay, and here in the UK, now I can't speak for the rest of the world, but in the UK, corned beef hash is served up with baked beans. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the baked beans in the corned beef hash, so it gives us that little bit of a juice with the tomato sauce. So in it goes. Give it a mix up. Oh, that is amazing. That really is yucky amazing. Now that looks absolutely sensational. Okay, now we just want to knock up our pies. As per usual, want a bit of parchment paper down, or baking paper, and we want some ready rolled pastry. Now, as per usual, there's nothing hard about the way we make these, you know, but we want to stack them. So get your mix and get it in the middle. See, the one good thing about making your own, you can stuff them as large as you like. Okay, usual, want a bit of egg wash for our glue. Nice and steady on there, around the sides. Not too much on, you know, we want it to glue and not separate, but this pastry is actually very good. Over the top. Squash it down, squash it on there, stick it. That is amazing. Another bit of pastry over that one, get it on, squash it down. The usual, take your fork, and we want to put that little bit of an edge on there, all the way around, squash it down. Egg wash. Now, as you know from all other videos, you can use milk, but if you use egg, it gives it that nice yellow colour on top. If you use milk, it's a lighter colour. You can mix egg and milk together, and you can mix milk and water together. But this is going to give these pasties that really nice golden hue all the way around. Oh, they look amazing already. We need to cut a couple of holes in, vent holes, on our rack, and we're going to bang them in the oven. Get them in the oven about 180, 190, about half an hour. Oh, here we go. Let's get this out of here. Oh, corned beef hash pies made. Oh, look at those. Amazing. Hot, hot, hot. They are absolutely amazing. Just look at that. Oh, come on. Oh, look in there. Look in there, now that's what we're talking about. Corned beef hash pie. So there we are, corned beef hash pie made. That's an easy one. Corned beef, mashed potatoes, bit of onion, some baked beans all mixed up, chucked on some pastry, a little bit of egg wash. Perfect pasty. That is superb. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video.